Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's make another Fatwood fire in the rain. Let me get you off that tripod, and I know that there's some pine knots laying on the ground. Let's see what we can do today. Back here in the woods, undoubtedly it used to be just full of mature pine trees like 50, 60, 70 years ago. They never got harvested. They just, I guess, were allowed to just get knocked over and fall down and rot away. Full of pine knots out there. There's one up here on the ground though, under this American beech. I noticed it the other day. It's a small one, but you know how potent this Fatwood is. Let's go ahead and get a fire going with it. More companion stainless steel. What a good job it did yesterday. Did you see yesterday's video? Where we did all that heavy batoning. That heavy batoning of some oak straight out of the woods. Good stuff. Let's just use half of them and we'll save the other half for Fatwood sticks. And of course we'll use some scrapings to get it all started. You can hear just how sharp that spine is, can't you? All right, let's put it all together. The real magic is going to be these pom-pom feather sticks. That's what's really going to get it going. Keychain ferro rod. It's a bayite, 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. You get a 3-pack of them on Amazon for $15. I like to compact them just a little bit so that I can handle them after they are ignited. Now, once that gets going good, I'm going to put some of this wet oak from under the table. I'll put that on there. put these pieces around the edges so they can be drying. These aren't so wet, we'll put them on top of the flame. And I don't really need any more char cloth, but let's go. We'll end up with some extra Fatwood sticks and some good char cloth. I make mine out of denim. 100% cotton denim. I usually put a little punkwood on the very bottom of the char tin also, but we'll just go with this. And usually about 10 pieces. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. The first gases that come out of this can are going to be the steam. Then after all the steam gets driven off and dried out, then the flammable gases will come out. Many times the smoke trail coming out of that vent will ignite. After all the smoke and the flames stop coming out of that vent, you want to take it out and not open that char tin until it completely cools off, or else the char material on the inside will burn up. Loblolly pine needles. This is Chart, came from Texas, and the steel that I made out of a Nicholson file. You'll see this build video down in the description. Just make sure that all the gases are expelled. I still see a little flame coming out of there. All right, it is done. We'll let that cool off. Let's get this heat source out of the way so this can cool off quicker. And then we'll try out the contents, see how good that char cloth is. And you'll always want to check it for soft and supple, no hard places, no smoke residue. And this has smoke residue on it, so it might take an extra strike or two. on this top piece. Usually the inner pieces are cleaner and you can't really show the smoke residue. There should be like a slight sheen on the best char cloth. Let's try it out. Tear it in half to expose all these threads. Put it up, put it a 16th. Oh, I didn't get them stacked up properly. Of course you want them stacked up one on top of the other perfectly. How about that? Put that a 16th of an inch behind the sharp edge on your shirt and use your good sparky steel. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.